So I'm sharing my screen. So this is uh, what you can follow for Firebase. That guy who was asking for it, forgot the name. This is for Firebase authentication. Let's back to our. So guys, you saw that how we debug that issue. So how we debug the issue is, how would we add various fields? You can see here. See, first of all, Harsh Sharma, first of all, you need to understand like what is your task. If your task is authentication, then it takes a parameter email and password. You just need to call it and you have that. And if it is successful, if the user exists in the Firebase, then you will have that user and update UI user interface. You have that email and password. Because in the Firebase, if you want to do that like chat, if you want to design the chat system, then use the fire real-time Firebase. The database is that real-time database Firebase Android. Register user if not having account. So that is it. You can done through this only. Don't need to do much stuff. Create user with email and password. What happened? I was sharing my screen. Are you able to see my screen? No, sir. Okay, now I can share. I don't know suddenly how I lost my.
Abhishek, now you can share again.
Okay, okay. Go in the Firebase console, open the auth section on the sign in method, enable the email password sign in method and click save. Have you done this? This step? Harsh, you done this? Okay. You added the dependencies. Have you tried this in the on start? Excuse me. Create a new account by passing the user. So call this only. Have you done this? I mean, passing the edt username dot get text dot toString, edt password dot get text dot toString. So you just need to call this by passing what I have said. edt username dot get text dot toString, edt password dot get text. Successful, then you have that user. So update the user. Clear? That's it. Every time you need to use this. And this is sign in. That was the create, and this is sign in. Clear? So that's it. Let me continue, guys. You again now take me. So this is our task. So we have the adapter. So let's do that. This is the method that we need to call it from the activity. Get all user data. So user list activity. First of all, I will create the object of the adapter class of college database adapter. Private college database adapter. College database adapter. Database adapter dot, sorry, create the object equals to new database adapter, college database adapter. That pass the context, comma, that that's it. No need to pass comma is there. Then database adapter dot open. Then need to call the method of database to get all the entries dot get all user data. You will have all user data and you take it in a array list. Just create a global variable private array list. Private array list of type user. User list. User list. Once you have this user list, then whatever the data I've collected, just pass in this user list. Clear? Now you have to initialize the adapter of recycler view adapter. So create the object of recycler view adapter. So private, what's the name of the adapter? User list adapter. So user list adapter, any name you can give this cycler list adapter, and initialize this cycler list adapter equals to new user list adapter. Pass the arguments whatever it wants, like I need to create a constructor public user list adapter, take the context the array list of type user list. Why I am passing this user list here? Because I need to bind this user list to the recycler view items. क्लियर? यूजर लिस्ट का एक एक आइटम, we need to bind it with the recycler view item view. Private array list. This dot context equals to context. This dot users equals to users. Now in this user we have all the user list. Now in the on create view holder, what to do? I need to inflate. So there is a class layout inflator dot from. I need a context dot inflate. What to inflate? Inflate that item view. Layout dot layout item, comma, view group null, and attach to root false. Create a separate view, and then what it's return, this inflate view. So return view v equals to, and I return b. Sorry, view holder. I need to return. I need to return view holder type dot create the object of view holder equals to new view holder. It wants the item view. That view I will pass, and then I will return this holder. It's fine. And this root must not be selected here. And bind view holder. I need to like we have the list. So we have the holder here. So in the holder dot username dot set text. What to set the text here? The list users dot get at the position we have dot get username. Similarly, holder dot dob dot set text users dot get text dot get the item because there is a method of the array list get position dot get dob. Fine, that's it. That's I mean this is the binding, and in the item count return the users dot size. This is you have already linked the layout item. Just check the layout item how it appears. I need orientation, width, match parent, height, wrap content. I give the weight sum like 3. So username must have width 0 dp, but weight 2.5, 2 is okay, 2.2, and the dob width is 0 dp, and like weight is 0.8. Also you can give the background to this linear layout background. I can give like color accent. Text color I have already given the black. Fine, this is item view. So this item will be inflated every time. Clear है, इसमें padding भी दे सकते हो, padding like 10 dp is okay. Now basically understand the adapter again. I told you inflate the item view and bind the data to the item view. These two tasks is of adapter. So inflate the view, fine, and the since the holder in its constructor needs the item view, fine, because this is holder. What is holder? This is item holder that consists the item view. because in the holder it's a representative class template that has this, that has this, that has these fields. Fine. So holder needs an item view. So that is why when I created the, when I inflate the view, I need to pass it in the holder and return that holder. Now in the bind view, I just in the holder username I set text. With the list I get list get method return you the item, that entire row, and from that entire row you just need the username for setting in the username and for the DOB. Fine. So that's it. Now in the recycler view, you just need to pass the context comma the list user list, and then just call the recycler view dot set adapter recycler list adapter. That's it. Now how this activity runs, user list activity, we will call this from the main activity. When I press login, I can see. Fine. So let's run this application and just see what I was showing you. Excuse me, sorry. Let's check our application has already run or it's in. Let's run the application with all these changes. We have this on the main activity. When I sign up, I call the insert method, and then when the sign up done, it shows me inserted. Fine. So I will sign up with a new value. Let's run that application. So application installed. So let me add some username. That's I'm adding mcar@gmail.com. Now, can you please give us the code of this project just like that BMI calculator project, and the concept will become more clear. Okay, dear. mcar@123. याद रखना password. I'm writing again. A capital M card @123. Fine. Now I'm signing. I just said checking the date. Scroll. I'm signing it up. Let's check. Is it signed? It sign up successfully. It's inserted or not? It's inserted. Let's sign in. You a new user, please sign up. Sign up. Some issue. Debugger. Okay. I've attached the debugger. When I press sign up, let's check what happened. Now the cursor comes here. Let's insert this, and this. So if you check here, the content values object, select it, right click, evaluate expression. Then you will see then you have the username mcar@gmail.com, password mcar@123, dob this. Fine. Now I'm going to insert. Let's check what happened on insertion. Result false. It is not inserted. What happened? Might be SQLite database equals to null, get readable database, SQLite database dot insert. Might be it is stuck here. Let me test it again. Sign up. Okay. Now I'm inserting value 9. It's inserted basically. Okay, sorry. It will give me the entire insertion values. Fine. So I like number of values returned. So I've written something wrong here. I should not write this. If well greater than 1, then return true. Now run the application and let's test our application now. Because value has also already inserted. So mcar has inserted number of times because I haven't supplied the username primary key to the username. Let's test it with the username mcar@gmail.com and password mcar@123. Sign in, try to here, signed it. Sign up. Let's check the logcat. Is it inserted now? Value inserted. Now let's check to sign in. Now might be let me check some any other issue. In debug. Is there any issue? The main activity. I'm checking here. Every time I am opening the database, it's okay. Fetching the data. Let me press sign in now. When I press sign in, I go to this method. I attach a cursor here. Now query. Now let me check the cursor. What's the cursor here? Value it. In the cursor that user, select start from user where username equals to what? Passing the value. Username I'm passing. Okay, fine. Value it. Excuse me. MCAR 123. I'm getting that. So return the password. Might be password is there. Password is fine. Password is fine. Now let's get back to our main activity. What exactly the issue is? Let's get back to our main entry. Password. What I have written. If password dot equals to not exist. Come on. जल्दी जल्दी में कल क्या लिख दिया यार. ये यहीं पे खत्म होना था. Password not exist. Then you have to print like this. Remove this else part. This. If password not exist, then you are the new user. Please continue. ठीक है. उसके बाद else if password equals to this, then this part, and then else you have entered wrong password. ठीक है. Clear? So this have condition. कल जल्दी जल्दी में we have written something wrong if condition. Okay. So this is the way, guys, you have to debug. Have you learned this? How I find out what's the issue I got? In the same way, you have to do this. Now I can write amcar@gmail.com and then password amcar@123. Now I press sign in. Sign in. Now my app crash. Now again need to check what's the issue here. Class not found exception. Binary XML file line number. Error inflating recycler view. Okay, there is an issue in XML. Are you able to see my screen? Okay. Might be some issue occurred. Viplav, I'm not able to share my screen.
Let me check, Abhishek. Okay, now you are again the presenter. You try.
Yeah, I can. So guys, if you see the issue, unable to start activity, there is a binary XML file line. There is an issue in inflating recycler view. Fine. Let me check the let me check here what's the issue in the user list activity. I have a set content view activity underscore user list. There I have a recycler view. I am using the recycler view older version. Recycler view. Fine. Now you can see this is the recycler view that I have to use. I am pasting you. I am running the application again and I am pasting in the chat. There's the chat. Recycler view was not supported. Correct. This recycler view is supported one. Now I'm writing @gmail car@123. Let's sign in. Now guys, you have the list yesterday which I have added. Lalit, Prachi, Vinayak, Mcar, number of times Mcar added. Today I have pressed sign up number of times. So it added. So because we did not give the constraint to the email ID. We have given the constraint to the ID only primary key. Clear guys? This is scroll. This is the scroll feature of the recycler view. You can customize your item view by taking a image view like this. Let me share you how you can do this. Layout item view. Take a fixed image view. Image view width like 40 dp. Height 40 dp. And source IC underscore launcher. Clear? Gravity center vertical. Clear? Now if I again run it, it will show you. amcar@gmail.com. amcar@123. Sign in. Look, images. Every item has the image now. Now you can fetch the image from the database or from server from anywhere. And just like you bind this data dynamically, bind the image as well. Using the method set image. There is a method for the image view. Let's suppose you have a image view. How you will set private image view img view. Link it, fine. After link it, you can do like folder dot img view dot set. The method is set image URI. You can give the image URI. You have another way, set background resource. Set background, you can give the drawable background. So you have these options. You can have the set the scale type. You can have anything you can try with the image view dynamically. Dynamically set the image. The method is set URI. Other method is sorry, the set image URI. And you can give the URL of the image. Clear guys? So this is our recycler view. I'm sharing this code with you. Let me check where is the path. Show Explorer. College management, WinZip, add to college management.zip. Then let me share it on Drive. Drive. किसी को कोई डाउट, एनी डाउट्स यू हैव इन दिस, कि ये बाइंड कैसे हुआ, ये अडेप्टर में कैसे हुआ, हाउ इट हैपेंड, हाउ इट टुक प्लेस? Excuse me, sorry. So upload it, let it appear here. I have this, I get the link, I make it available to whoever the link. Restricted, no, restricted anyone with the link. And copy the link and done. You enjoy. You wanna enjoy? Enjoy. Just take the project. Excuse me. Fine. So our now we have the camera, we have the service. Sensor ka I have a project. I have created my own project. It available on the GitHub. I will give you that repository. It is very easy to understand about the sensors. So in the last 15 minutes, I will let you know about that sensor. Very easy. Now let's we have the uh, what camera and the music player that I can create. So music player is very easy. I have already shared the project with you. Might be here. I have my music player. This is a code. I will have the button of start, stop, and pause. These three buttons and the media player object MP. And the URI will keep the path of the song. Let's suppose Burfi song I have. If it's available in my drive, then I can play this. Fine. So a very easy code that I can create in the same application. I need to create an activity, new activity, or you can create a new project as well. What do you want? New project or new activity? New project will take time. बोलो Jio Sawan. It is not similar to YouTube video player. Guys देखो 8 दिन की वर्कशॉप है, 8 दिन की ट्रेनिंग है. You can't have that streaming application. You can't have that Firebase application. You can't have Book My Show application. Everything in 8 days. You can only have the basics. Fine, in 8 days only basic. ऐसा नहीं है कि लाइक तुम्हें गिटार सीखना है तो लाइक 8 दिन 10 दिन में चाहते हो कि भाई आई स्टार्ट प्लेइंग साडा हक एथे रख साडा हक एथे रख, तो 8-10 दिन में साडा हक नहीं हो पाएगा. 8-10 दिन में एथे रख ही हो पाएगा, एथे रख. बस इतना ही रख. तो अभी थोड़ा सा ही कर सकते हैं हम. Okay, so let me create an activity. That's basically the thing is you need to understand which class for doing this. The class is this media player. The class name is, will there be an advanced workshop? You can have that, but it will be for at least 2 months. You needed a 2 months training on this, then I will make you developer. I assure you, I can make you a developer proper. Then you are ready in the market and you can start developing. What when? What when? Please organize it, sir. Yeah, see, I am also a developer, so I have other tasks as well. I cannot like take the two 2 months only for you guys. So yeah, it's very big thing. I am giving you my 8 days to you. So a media player, let's understand the class name is media player. So basically you have a method, you need to create an object of media player. Then in the media player, you have to set the data resource and then prepare. The prepare will keep the track and then you just need to start on the start button. Clear? Let me just copy paste this code. Yes, it is difficult to attend 2 months. 2 months is like 2 hours per day. So जब per day 2 hours रहेंगे तो you have the time to practice it as well on your side. New activity, empty activity, my music player activity, my music player activity or music player activity. Fine, finish. So I created an activity that is music player activity that extension app compat activity. So in this activity, I have a layout in which I will take only 3 buttons. Fine layout again. I'm taking a basic linear layout. Linear layout and its orientation vertical, vertical and gravity center vertical. So I will have a 3 buttons. Button with wrap content, with wrap content. Okay, you can have break now. But like after 40 minutes, I'm giving you like 1 hour break. Center vertical means vertically centered. Like it should be like not here. It is center in here. It's in center here, not here. And let's take 3 buttons. Guys, why I need to write this code? The code is already I am having. Why I'm writing this code? I'm writing this code because I'm thinking like you guys are also writing this code with me. Because code तो मेरे पास पहले से ही है. I already have that code. Fine. So what I need? For that we need horizontal and vertical centers. So what constraint layout do? Basically, constraint layout is that view group that allow you to position and you can size it in a flexible way. You can position, give like left off, or write anyway. For example, I can wait a second. Yeah, just like a relative positioning of, let's suppose you have a text view and another text view or a button. So you need to relative position of button 2 with the button A. So you give the layout constraint left to right of बटन ए, बटन ए के राइट में चाहिए. It's similar like relative layout but with more flexibility. Similar like relative layout but more flexibility. Already downloaded. The song is download or it's play online. As per this code, this is already downloaded and it is in my device. It is in my device. You can play the online song as well through the API. Look, if you want to play the YouTube or JioSaavn songs or like that application you want to create, or how you need to proceed, let me guide you. You need the JioSaavn API for playing songs Android. किसी ने पूछा does Saavn provides open APIs for developer? Let's check like this kind of a data. JSON data. New album. It is an array. Square bracket is array. This is its object. So new album. First object is this query is Kolmo Kokilo text. This is some song might be. Then another Raja Rangusti. These are the songs. So someone has answered like no. Saavn does not provide API for development, but I was able to get an API URL which will allow you to get details of the song that are available on the home page. So you just need to call this. You just need to call this API and parameter is this. This will retrieve infos like this. You have that entire song album list. How to make a music app like Gaana and Saavn. Basically, for that you must have your database online. How I created my own music player. Let me show you with the diagram. If you want to create file new, don't save. Let's. I have a server. Fine. I have the server. I have the file manager. I have the file manager where I have song 1, Channa Mereya, song number 2, ओ जाने जाना. Number 3, any song like Barfi, फिर ले आया दिल, फिर ले आया दिल. And some of the list I have according to the category English song. I have Despacito, and then I have Enrique Tonight. Fine. Let's suppose in the file manager I have these 5 songs. Now through the API in my app, I have this is Android app where we have a recycler view, in which recycler view I need to show these 5 song list. Clear? And what I want, when I click on it, it starts playing. They start playing. So I told you there is a method I have shown you. My URI equals to URI.parse. So in this URI.parse, you can give the online link as well. Fine. You have that list like here, here, and here. That list, and then click, and then you need to play. So we will see it in other codes. First of all, we will have that JSON parsing. Let's suppose this is a JSON. So how you will parse this? So basically, this was the older way which we used in the 2014, 15, in those years. But now we have the libraries. We have the libraries to JSON parse. Like if you search library to JSON parse Java, so it will give you, there's a multiple library like Jackson, there's the JSON. These are the libraries that you can use. Like if you have a JSON string, then get JSON object class, then get JSON object, then again you need to for loop in this way. But there is another library like JSON. So JSON object you need to create JSON j equals to new JSON, then G from JSON, and it will convert it the entire JSON into the that class. Also you have this way, you have Jackson library as well, object mapper. So there are different ways how to parse a JSON. If you want to use by giving permission to access the storage, yes, you have to give the permission to access the storage to write any song. You, if you want to download, read external storage permission. I mean, you are writing, you are downloading, you are writing. So that permission you also have to give. We will see that permission. We will see that permission in the when I develop the application camera, where whatever the image is there, we need to uh, whatever the image we click, we save it. We will save the image in the camera. Yeah. Services. किसी को कुछ पूछना है? किसी को कोई डाउट है? Anyone has doubt? So let me create that music player. Let's try it out. 3 buttons. Give them the ID. Start. ID. Pause. Pause. And then ID. Stop. Fine. Now I have an activity music player activity. I write its code. Button start, stop, pause. Import it. Alt plus enter. URI import it. Alt plus enter. Create the object of type URI. URI my URI. Now I also need to create the object of media player. Alt plus enter, import it, media player, import it, create the object of media player. So fine. Now I need to write this and set click listen on the buttons, pause and stop. This is on click completed. Import view. My URI for which purpose? My URI is for purpose because it's of type URI. URI, what is full form of URI? Uniform Resource Indicate Identifier. You know that what is URL? Uniform Resource Locator. जैसे URL होता है ऐसे URI होता है. तो URI बेसिकली कोई भी रिसोर्स है, कोई भी रिसोर्स होता है, रिसोर्स लाइक कोई भी तुम्हारे पास सॉन्ग इज वर्क एज अ रिसोर्स. तो कोई भी सॉन्ग है तो उसको अगर तुम्हें उसका पाथ चाहिए तो यू कैन यूज दिस. I need to check in my phone like if this song exists in my storage, my SD card. So file, storage, the storage, SD card, SD card. Next location is songs. The songs in the songs folder is Burfi. Let me check if I have Burfi. Yes, I have Burfi and I have the song Burfi. Let's try it and let me run it. And yeah, in the manifest, I make it my launcher activity. I make this music player activity as my launcher activity. So Control X, music player activity, I make it as my launcher activity. Clear? So let me run and try. So why we use find view by ID? Vinayak, would you like to answer this question? So guys, my this is opened. Let me check, is it working? Hey, how I added start.chat click listener. This is start. ID is there, pause is there, music player active. So I need some. I needed to give this soft permission read external storage. Let me attach the debugger to it so that I will identify where is the exact issue. That is why I am not able to type anything. To link with XML and Java. So mp.start, if mp is playing equals to false, set data source, my URI. This my URI, there is a URI of that song. Exception, there is exception. Because data source is not set, might be song is not available to the exact path. I need to identify the path of my song. So tools, uh, yesterday in the view, You give the location of a song. This. One more way, environment dot get external storage directory, then plus I will have this copy plus this control X control V. Let me try this. Am I audible now? So guys, basically I'm not able to fetch my song. Might be there is issue, so that is what I'm working on it. Like, what's the issue of getting the song from my mobile phone? Trying if file dot exist, if file dot exist, then URI equals to URI dot from file. The file I have provided this. So declaration is not allowed here. So URI created. Now pass it in. My URI. Let's keep it. Let me test it. Is it working? URI param cannot be null. File does not exist. So I needed the permission then. Might be it's a issue of permission. So I need to give the runtime permission to play a music from SD card or from reading it. What to do? So basically we need to learn how to take runtime permission. Clear? So I need to create a method first that will check the permission. So how to take permission, runtime permission in Android, that you have to learn, because uh, reading the external storage you needed a permission because you are on the greater than marshmallow. So I am creating a method protected void check permission. Fine. So in this check permission, if your mobile devices, like, because everyone nowadays using Gitter and Marshmallow, so no need to check that Marshmallow part. We have to check. So if check self permission and the name of the permission is read external storage. So manifest dot permission dot read external storage. ठीक है? So if not equals to, if it is not already granted, if not equals to permission granted, ठीक है? अगर permission granted नहीं है, check self permission, it gives you like you have to give a check. ठीक है? So if you want to show the pop-up like please grant permission, or as of now we can give the permission. We request the permission in the case like where you don't want to show the request permission rationally. Alert dialog. If you want to show the alert dialog, you can create your alert dialog builder where you will see the number of like permission. Please grant permission. Otherwise, you can request the permission for directly activity compat dot request permission. Request permission in this give the current this comma permission. So what permission you needed? You want new string. The permission we have manifest dot permission dot read external storage and the code of the permission like 123. Fine. In this way we have request the permission. Now there's a you needed the it's callback on request permission result. You need a callback on request permission result. So in this method, we will check the request code. So switch case or if request code equals to 123. That is if it is a permission of read external storage. Fine. So if grant results dot length greater than 0 and grant result for permission number 0, which is permission number 0 of array, that is read external storage. So package manager dot permission granted. If permission granted, then play your music, and in the play music now you can read your file, that task. So just keep that task. First of all, I mean before on click, just check the permission. On click of start, there is a click start button. This is start button. Check permission. So when permission check, otherwise permission is checked. Check permission. Permission is there. Then on the permission, private load file. Load file and play. Control X. So the entire code will be to Control X. Paste here. What is 1, 2, 3? So basically, guys, first of all, let's understand the what is this request permission. What is permission handling? Then we will see the other things. First of all, in an Android application, am I audible? Am I audible? Guys, are you there or left the session? Avin, are you here? Avin? Okay, basically, before before Marshmallow, we don't need any permission to read the directory or write the directory. We don't need it. But after Marshmallow, we needed the permission to read and write from the directory, because otherwise anyone can read your stuff. Runtime permission. This is called runtime permission. It is similar, like if I show you, this is the settings of my app. Fine. Let me open the apps. In the apps, if I searching for what's our name, college management. If you see, I have provided it one permission of read external. So let's, I am removing its permission. App permission, storage. I am disabling the permission of storage. Fine. Now back, back. Now let me open the application. This. Now when I press click button, what I am doing on pressing the click button, I will ask for the permission. Look, on start button click, what I am doing, I'm calling the method check permission. Check permission. Check self permission. SDK in greater than M. So let me check. I clicked it. Allow college management to access photos, media and files on your device. This is runtime permission. You got that? Guys, you got that? Understand what is runtime permission? I allow it. I allowed it. Fine. There is a crash. I need to handle it. But this is when I allowed it. Excuse me. So first understand the runtime permissions, then we will see. So in the, what's the exception I got? Request permission 1, 2, 3 has extras to activity music player null point exception. URI param cannot be null. So this is the method I have called request permissions. So check permission. In the check permission, I check the like SDK int. The SDK that you using is greater than Marshmallow. If it is greater than Marshmallow, then you have to call the method check self permission. This is check self permission is internal method of Android in the context wrapper. So it will check the permission, which permission read external storage. Fine. And when to check, if it is not equals to permission granted. If then you have to request the permission. Now in the request permission method, you need to pass the permissions. Let's suppose you have a group of permission. For example, you have external storage permission, you have right to external storage, like you have number of permissions. And then at that time you will pass the request code. Request code is, let's suppose the callback method is single. Callback method is only this. So let's suppose in your entire application you have more than one type of permissions. You have more than one type of permission. Like you have a storage related permission, you have camera related permission, you have any other phone phone calling permission. So this request code is used to identify. This request code is used to identify that which permission is granted. So for which result request code I need to find out. Clear? Now it has the arguments, permissions, and grant results. So these both are the array. These both are the array. So if grant results dot length greater than 0, just 1 minute more, just one more minute, please. If permission granted, if grant result 0 equals to permission granted means allow, you have allowed it, then it will do what the work you want to do. Clear? We will see that code of running the music. And I don't know what's the issue right now. Is that issue in fetching the song? Might be the URL is wrong, the path is wrong. We will show it, but it's showing error. Yes, it's showing error. That error is different. I will figure it out. Okay, I will change the song. After the lunch, we will complete this. I will fix whatever the issues they are. Fine. Okay. Bye bye. See you by 2 p.m. Bye.